What is up, boys and girls? We are up grabbing Fred right now. We got a lot of stuff to do today, and we possibly are going to catch some fish. Went out yesterday, had a freaking awesome day catching 3 fish, trying everywhere out there all day with Tyler and the boys.
What is it? Choggy? Choggy. Dude, that's good eats, that one. Oh, you skate. Son of a skate, dude. Oh. Where's the 130?
Oh, Jesus.
Whiting, bro. Whiting.
Oh my God.
If this thing's hooked right, it's a COD. If it's hooked right. Get the harpoon, dude.
Oh, look at you with your big old stick.
Ah, yeah, it's Scotty. Dude, it's probably another skate, bro. Fat Choggy.
With a chug, throw him in the fucking bucket.
Yo, that's a chunker, bro.
But we got some special stuff to give to Fred, and here he is. So we have all this like crazy fish tank stuff that we're just not going to use, that was donated to us, so we're going to give it to Fred. So let's see how he reacts to all this. Get in here.
Yo, yo. What's up, motherfucker?
This is all stuff for you, bud.
All stuff for me, huh? Got some terrarium, homemade terrarium stuff, huh?
Yeah, and it's like apart, but like still a lot together. Like, there's some really cool stuff going on. You gotta be really gentle with that. It's heavy.
What is this? Pump or something here?
There is, and it doesn't work.
Probably got some gravel.
If you took it out and took, and then that too.
Hell yeah. Love that. Some little tanks, some sand.
So you got 2 tanks. This thing is so cool, dude. I can't wait to see what you do with it. I just didn't have any room for that.
What I plan on doing, I'm probably gonna get some silicone, like some 100% silicone. Cover some of these spots, like that are still sticking out.
Yeah.
And then cover them in like cocoa fiber.
Nice.
Make it look like ground. This is literally what I just started doing a couple weeks ago. Like, if you come inside real quick, you'll be able to see all the crazy shit that I've made.
Dope.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Probably gonna end up cutting these apart, gluing them back together in like a waterfall tank or something like that.
Sick.
That's what I'm wanting to do, like use the pieces of glass as like a spot for the filter to let the water run down.
Mm-hmm.
Cut little like chunks.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Hell yeah.
Guys, we're totally gonna have to do a tour pretty soon of Fred's basement. It's getting a little crazy. Let's wait till he finishes up the next 2 tanks, and then we're gonna do a whole tour of Fred's basement. There's something I gotta tell you guys. I made a purchase for the van. One of our subscribers / buddies out on the boat, the dude that almost lost his rod on a episode we had a few weeks ago.
Everybody snags bottom, but most people snag bottom and I can save it. When John snags bottom, I do.
Nice moves, Johnny boy. That was a good fucking move. Damn, Gina. That was savage, John. Savage.
He watched the episode, knows that we, just got the van and we're gonna be doing some cool stuff to it. And he was the first person to really donate a substantial amount of money to the van. So when he sent me the money, I didn't really know what to do with it because we're not ready for demo yet. We haven't even taken this stupid freaking thing out. But there's one thing that we really, really, really needed in this van. I can't see out the back of this thing for shite, right? So we took the money he gave us, Steve, and we just got this digital backup camera. I installed it yesterday. I like broke that thing off. So we just put that back on so that we can attach this to that now. This thing, even being right here in this spot, has been unbelievable. It is freaking sweet to not worry about what's in the van. We could build out this van completely and we're still, no matter what, gonna be able to see perfectly behind us at all times now. And parking is so much easier. We are gonna use this thing for a bit and we'll do a full review on it. You can get this thing on Amazon. It was on sale for 120 bucks. I think it goes for like 160 usually. So huge thanks, Steve, for this. This is sick.
That's what its name should be. I still haven't like fully come up with a name yet. Is that one of these? Was that his? What was that?
I think that was that one.
We definitely need the net. Small. Ready? Heard it.
We've had like 30 fishes.
Nuh-uh.
Yep.
Really?
Yep. All small. So that the bite died. Hold on, you're gonna want to get that on some flatter ground.
Grab the Fred.
Yeah.
You done swallowed it. So cute. Hopefully we get a couple more today.
I feel like we will. Oh yeah.
Always stoked for the first carp of the year, even if they're tiny.
Yes, sir. That's awesome to hear. That's what's
cool. Ready?
Let's do this.
Sick. Little dude, that thing is sick.
Hell yeah.
I like the little one.
You got some?
Yeah.
You got a little carp in it. That thing's spinning. You see the dude shaking? It's gotta be a little carp.
They're gonna eat this thing. The Charles River. I can't believe it, dude. This is hilarious.
Left road. Ready?
They're still fighting this thing, dude. This is freaking great. Tiny net, dude, hooking up. And they're gonna eat this thing, right, Fred?
I don't know, maybe. They might just throw it back.
Yeah, we'll see. Let's see if it goes back. What do you guys think? Yes or no in the comments below. Does it go back? Doodle-doo-dee-dee-doo-doo-doo. Stay tuned.
This left one's gonna go. Watch.
This guy showed you up. Where was he? Right straight down?
Yeah, pretty much.
Let's see if this gets thrown back into the water. That was pretty legendary. If they get another one, I'm gonna freak. You think it's gonna happen? Do they just pull them in? Have you seen them before?
Yeah, I've seen them catch a lot of fish before.
Like just rake them in?
Yeah, I don't know if they keep them all, but
That fish did not go back. Yeah, I mean, if that fish isn't off the hook already, something's wrong. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that carp, I'm pretty sure, is not going back. Comment down below whether or not you would eat any fish, for that matter, out of the Charles River. Never mind a carp. Just let me know. Would you eat a carp out of the Charles River? That's savage.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was a fantastic day. We did a lot. We got the new license plate on the van, which is epic. We have this freaking awesome thing working here, which is fantastic. I'm super stoked about this. Again, huge thank you to Steve, our subscriber and friend, who donated to the van. First person to donate to the van, and that is what we got. We are stoked. I just got this dope license plate cover for the front license plate. But I went to the auto parts store. We have these like square holes to drill into up there, so I got these brackets here. They were the biggest ones they had at the auto parts store, and they're still too freaking small for the van. So we still need to do that so we can put up our Grubs license plate. This is officially the Grubs mobile, folks. We are freaking stoked. Just grab some Mickey D. I've been driving around all freaking day, but it's time to go and relax, possibly edit a little bit. We haven't put up a video in a while, folks. I'm sorry for that. It's been a rough year, but it has been a rough couple months. And I started a new job, and we're working 9 to 5. So we are gonna be on the grind for a little bit, guys. But hopefully in the next few months, we're gonna start grinding on getting this thing into a crazy fishing, traveling mobile. And soon our plans of moving into this thing, hopefully full-time, happen sooner rather than later. We'll figure it all out. But it's coming, folks. This is going to be, hopefully, our home on wheels if we don't screw it up. That is the goal. And we're gonna have Scott, we're gonna have Fred, we're gonna have Tyler. We got a lot of people that are gonna help us get this thing to be a crazy home on wheels. Also, huge thanks to Jerry. Jerry helped me get this freaking thing situated. It was a big pain in the butt, but we got it like hardwired to the car now. It is all set, dude, and this thing is dope. I'll leave it linked in the description. Just when you are putting it together, make sure you follow the instructions. And it gave me a little trouble at first not turning on, and then you know, we tried it again in Jerry's car, it worked. So then we tried it again in this car and it worked. So I don't know, troubleshoot your stuff. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna sign out. Huge thanks to everybody who's been helping me out in the past few weeks. You know, life is what it is and you gotta make the best of it. So I'm super thankful to all my friends, all the people I have supporting me, supporting the channel. I love you all. We'll catch you on the next one.
My father used to tell me there's children starving in Africa. So eat your food, nigga, you living, you should be happier. So your first world problems, darkest third world onyx. Sounding out with those in ease like you're hooked on phonics. Blow harmonics, mental vomit, leaving trails like comments. Let's be honest, this is a sonnet about your lack of being honest with yourself. Here's some chronic, and your feelings is a luxury. Spoiled California never had a day of hustling.
Don't you worry any longer. You look ugly when you frown, and I don't want that shit around. Didn't no one ever told you? It's all big fake smiles in California.